Welcome to our deep dive into using Claude for robust data contracts. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to generate and enforce effective data contracts, ensuring data integrity and compliance in today's digital world.
Welcome to our channel, where today we explore the vital role data contracts play in maintaining data integrity and compliance in modern businesses. Data contracts aren't just legal formalities, they're crucial frameworks that ensure your data remains accurate, secure, and compliant with industry standards. With the advent of platforms like Claude, managing these contracts has become more streamlined and efficient. In this video, we'll delve into how Claude can help you enforce these contracts effectively, safeguarding your business from the pitfalls of poor data management.
In the digital age, data contracts have evolved from simple agreements to complex frameworks that ensure data integrity and compliance. But what exactly is a data contract? Essentially, it serves as a formal agreement between parties that specifies how data is to be processed, stored, and protected. With the growing reliance on digital data across industries, the need for robust data contracts has become more pressing. Automation tools like Claude have revolutionized this space, allowing businesses to streamline contract creation and enforcement. Key components of a robust data contract include data definitions, obligations, security measures, and compliance criteria. Claude is a next-generation platform designed to automate and enhance the management of data contracts. Its capabilities extend beyond simple contract creation, offering a suite of tools that facilitate comprehensive data governance. With Claude, businesses can automate the enforcement of data contracts, ensuring that data integrity and compliance are maintained effortlessly. The platform's user-friendly interface allows users to create and manage contracts with ease, while its advanced features support complex data management needs. By integrating Claude into your data strategy, you can enhance operational efficiency and mitigate risks associated with data mismanagement.
Claude offers a robust set of features tailored to meet the demands of modern data management. One of its standout features is automated contract creation and management, which significantly reduces the time and effort involved in drafting and maintaining data contracts. Real-time data monitoring and alerts keep you informed of any potential breaches, while its integration capabilities ensure seamless operation with existing platforms. Claude's customizable compliance workflows allow you to tailor processes to meet specific regulatory requirements. Additionally, its advanced analytics and reporting tools provide deep insights into data usage and contract performance, empowering you to make informed decisions.
Creating data contracts with Claude is a straightforward process, thanks to its intuitive design and powerful features. Begin with the initial setup and configuration, ensuring that Claude is properly integrated with your data systems. Next, navigate through the user-friendly interface to access the contract drafting tools. Start by drafting a basic data contract, using Claude's templates as a foundation. Customize the contract parameters to align with your specific business requirements, including data definitions, compliance criteria, and security protocols. Once satisfied, finalize and deploy the contract, knowing that Claude will handle the enforcement with precision and reliability. Claude excels in automating the enforcement of data contracts, ensuring compliance with minimal manual intervention. The platform conducts automated compliance checks, notifying you of any discrepancies or violations in real time. This immediate feedback loop allows for swift action, minimizing potential impacts. Claude's robust system handles breaches and violations efficiently, integrating enforcement actions seamlessly with existing workflows. By automating these critical processes, Claude not only enhances compliance but also frees up resources, allowing your team to focus on strategic initiatives rather than administrative tasks. Maintaining data integrity is paramount, and Claude provides tools and strategies to support this goal. Regular updates and audits of your data contracts ensure they remain relevant and compliant with evolving regulations. Implement continuous monitoring strategies to detect anomalies early and prevent data breaches. Training and educating staff on the importance of data integrity and how to use Claude effectively is crucial for success. Utilize Claude's analytics capabilities to gain insights into data trends and contract performance, enabling proactive management. Encourage collaboration across departments to foster a culture of data integrity and shared responsibility.
While data contracts are essential, they come with their own set of challenges. Identifying and addressing common pitfalls, such as unclear contract terms or inadequate compliance measures, is crucial. Ensuring data quality and accuracy must be a top priority, as poor data can undermine even the most robust contracts. Managing complex regulatory requirements requires a thorough understanding of relevant laws and the flexibility to adapt contracts accordingly. Integration hurdles can pose significant obstacles, but Claude's compatibility with various systems eases this process. Finally, Staying abreast of technological changes ensures your data contracts remain effective and future-ready.
To illustrate Claude's capabilities, let's explore some real-world applications and success stories. Across various industries, businesses have leveraged Claude to enhance their data management strategies. These case studies reveal the tangible benefits Claude offers, from increased efficiency to improved compliance and risk mitigation. By examining these implementations, we can extract valuable lessons and best practices. Companies have reported significant improvements in data management efficiency, highlighting Claude's impact on operations. Key takeaways include the importance of tailoring Claude's features to specific needs and the value of continuous learning and adaptation.
As we conclude our exploration of using Claude for robust data contracts, it's clear that this platform offers unparalleled benefits in data governance. By automating and enhancing the management of data contracts, Claude plays a critical role in maintaining data integrity and compliance. We encourage you to explore Claude further and discover how it can transform your data management processes. We'd love to hear about your experiences and insights, so feel free to share in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth tutorials and updates on data management innovations.